Hello, my Jajabor squad. I hope everybody is okay. It's a new day again. It's a new weekend, and it's a new destination again. To be honest, it's not exactly a new destination. I'm sure many of you have visited this place. Today we are off to Sohra, and our destination today is the Sa-i-Mika resort. It's a beautiful property which is laid out in a wide open space of land right in the middle of Sohra. A few of my friends are coming over to Cherrapunji, and it has been a long pending vacation. We have been planning this trip to Sa-i-Mika for about a couple of years now. So we'll go and meet them, and it'll be a night stay. We'll have some good food, we'll have some good music, we'll talk through the night, and basically we'll just sit back and relax. And this vlog will be a little bit special because Sandipan, my friend Sandy, the drone man, will be bringing his drone DJI Mavic Mini, and we'll try to capture some beautiful drone shots of the area around the Sa-i-Mika resort. Riding into the sunset in hills is a little bit problematic because of the height and the lack of pollution. The sun is very bright even when it goes towards the horizon. So as you can see, riding towards the west in hills is a pretty dangerous, and actually is a little bit of a risky procedure. But you can't see in the video here, but I have a pair of yellow goggles. So this is the point from where we take a detour, a sharp bend towards the right hand side, and this is off-road. It's a little bit of a challenge, not much, but you have to be a little bit careful because of all the loose gravel which might slip from under your tires and it might skid. And the sun is not helping, definitely. So my friends are coming over from Guwahati and I'm riding from Shillong, so they are going to reach a little bit late. I'll just get in first and complete the check-in procedures. This last bit of the ride, we take a left turn towards the resort. Almost there. This is my 5th trip to the Sa-i-Mika resort, but the first time I'm doing a video. So I'm here. Over to Sandy. Let's sit back and enjoy the drone shots. Well, that was breathtaking. Thanks a lot, Sandy the drone man, for the footage. And I'll see you guys next time with another vlog to another destination. Jibon Jajabor, stay nomadic.